Everyone, it's Tom here from Tech Nexus, and this is just a quick video in response to a forum question from the Autodesk forums about P&IDs and linking lines. So the question was along the lines of if the user is running one line, and when they run the second line off it, it's automatically inheriting and basically attaching itself to that first one. So by default it is going to do that, but there's a couple of things to have a look at when you're running these lines. So always keep an eye on the command line area, the command prompt. You can within AutoCAD just drag it up and down, and then that way you can see what that command is actually asking for. So you'll see if I was to do a primary line segment across there, and then if I do that same command again and I attach it to the first line, then you'll see down here in the command line it says continue, new, or link. So you just want to say new, and then now if we look at that, you can see when I select it, it is a separate line. So just to do that again, run the line, click on it. You can even type N for new. So down the bottom there, the N is highlighted in blue, so on your keyboard you can press N for new, and again it'll do a new line number off that. The other way you could do it as well, it's a bit of a trick, it's personal preference, there's no right or wrong here, is I can start the line out here, run it to that line, and then you'll see that it is indeed a separate number there, or a separate line, and then obviously we don't want to run it to it, we want to run it away from it. So I can just edit that line and then reverse the flow, so that way we still have 3 separate lines. And if I have a look at my data manager and just confirm that, so you can see if I zoom in, then it is going to treat all 4 of those as individual lines. Obviously I don't have tags on them, just for the sake of this video I did not bother putting tags, but you can tag them obviously separately after this. So hopefully that's answered the question on the forums. If you liked the video, click thumbs up. If you didn't, click thumbs down, but please subscribe to the channel and click on the bell icon to get notifications of my daily videos. Thanks for watching.